Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transition behind the post. So let's get into it. To do this effect, all that you need is a camera, a tripod, a good location, and a post. So once you've arrived at your location, you want to mount your camera to your tripod, frame up the shot, adjust all your settings to manual, set your focus, and then frame up this post. Now from here, you want to start rolling, run out in front of the camera, and complete the action on the one side of the post. So let's say you're transitioning through the post and you put your arm through the post first. You want to start the next shot by your arm coming back through. If you don't do this, then it's going to look weird and it just won't be a believable effect. So now that you've captured a movement on both sides of the post, you need to run out of the frame and you need to leave your camera rolling for around 10 seconds. This is going to be your clean plate and you need this to do the effect. Without this, it's just not going to work. So make sure you shoot your clean plate. So once you've got all of your footage, you've got the footage from the one side of the post, the other side of the post, and you've got the clean plate, it's now time to get this onto the computer and load up your video editor of choice. Now in this example, I'm going to show you how to do this in Adobe Premiere, but you can do this effect in any multi-track video editor. So don't feel like you have to have Adobe to do this effect.
So once we are inside Adobe Premiere Pro, we want to begin by importing our footage. So we're going to go down to the Import Media to Start tab. We're going to navigate our way through the Finder and we're just going to import that into our project. Now once that footage has been imported, you can go through and you can separate the different sections. So you've got the action on the one side of the post, you've got the action on the other side of the post, and you have your clean plate. Now you want to go through and you want to separate all of these different layers so you have 3 different video tracks. So now we want to go through and we want to make sure that our clean plate is on the bottom of the footage. So that's going to be on video layer 1. We're going to make sure that the first action on the post, this is the beginning of the effect, is on the second video layer. And then we'll make sure that the last section of this movement is on the third video layer, so that's on the top. And then we're just going to go through and we're just going to add crop to both of our top 2 video layers. So that's the 2 layers where the action is taking place. So in this example, you'll see that I'm on the left of the post, I'm talking to the camera, so I'm going to drop crop onto this video. And I'm just going to adjust the crop to the right up to around 50%. Then I'm going to do the same thing for video layer 3 and I'm going to make sure that the crop is set to 50% on the left. So now that video layer 2 and video layer 3 have been cropped, we need to go through and we need to drag video layer 3 across in time and we need to try and sync this up with the action of video layer 2. It should take some time just to sync this up and get this perfect, but once you have done this, you will notice that the video effect is now complete.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see regular filmmaking and photography tutorials. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.